The following is a body scan meditation. It's recommended that you lie down in a warm, comfortable place. You can use a bolster or a rolled up blanket underneath your knees. You can put a small cushion underneath your head or a pillow. And if you have something to cover your eyes, like an eye pillow or a scarf, it's optional if you want to cover your eyes. If you can make yourself 10% more comfortable now, go ahead and do whatever it is to make yourself just a little more comfortable in your body, a little more relaxed, lying down on your bed or on a mat on the floor. I'm going to name several parts of your body in a systematic order. And all you need to do is bring your attention to the parts that I name. When your mind wanders during this practice, you're just going to simply pick it back up and focus your attention wherever the body part being named is at the time. First, begin by noticing any sounds that are arising from inside of your space that you're in right now. And even notice the sounds that might arise from outside of your space, like the sounds from the street, or you might notice an occasional sound of a plane flying overhead, or neighbors and friends, or other people talking outside. These sounds will arise, abide, and then disappear. Next, notice your eyes, and if you don't have your eyes covered and you can just let your eyes open and focus on a point in front of you or above you up on the ceiling, let your gaze soften on a point just for a few moments. If your eyes are covered by an eye pillow or just closed and you want to keep them closed, you can simply bring your awareness to your eyelids. Notice seeing, whether it's just seeing darkness or seeing some of the light coming in through the eyelids, or if it's your preference to keep your eyes slightly open, you can keep your eyes on a fixed point, just softly gazing at a point. And then notice the contact points that your body is making with the ground right now. Notice your feet touching the ground. Notice the back of your hips, the back of your shoulders, the back of your arms. Notice where your hands are resting, and there is no right or wrong place for your hands to rest. And notice the back of your head making contact with pillow or the floor. Next, bring your awareness to the point between your eyebrows, up in your forehead, right above the bridge of your nose. The hollow of your throat, which is at the base of your neck in the front, between your two collarbones. Your right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, the tip of your right thumb, tip of the right index finger, right middle fingertip, ring fingertip, and the little fingertip. Left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, the tip of your left thumb, tip of your left index finger, tip of your left middle finger, left ring fingertip, and the little fingertip. The hollow of your throat, the heart center, which is right in the middle of your chest, the top of your sternum bone, the solar plexus, which is at the bottom of your sternum bone, where the ribs gather and the diaphragm attaches to the spine. It's the solar plexus. In the navel center, it's 3 finger widths below your belly button. The center of your pelvis. The tip of your tailbone. Right hip joint. Right knee. Right ankle. The tip of the right big toe, tip of the right second toe, tip of the right third toe, right fourth toe, and fifth toe. Left hip joint, left knee, left ankle, tip of the left big toe, tip of the left second toe, tip of the left third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Tip of the tailbone, center of the pelvis, navel center, solar plexus, heart center, hollow of the throat, space between the eyebrows, without changing your breath, bring your attention to breathing, simply noticing when you're breathing in as you inhale, and noticing when you're breathing out when you exhale. Stay with the breath. Gently notice the contact points that you're making with the ground. Notice seeing and notice hearing whatever sounds arise in the next few moments. If you would like to, you can bring some movement back into your fingers and your toes. If you're lying on your back, you might pull your knees into your chest to release your lower back. And if you have just a few more moments to savor relaxation, you can continue lying like this or roll over onto your side and gently lift yourself up whenever you're ready.